And welcome back to the shack. Another delivery this week, and we'll see, got a lot of tape on here. Damn. Sure how this was wrapped. Why don't you come back in a few minutes? Okay, that's a little better. Okay, so what do we have in here? A Nevada 26 to 30 meg amplifier, TC35. I assume just on off, so FM AM 35, maybe 35 watts. We shall see. There we go. Feels like a cheap microphone. That to one side. Okay, few like 9mm PL259s. Another one there. A 3-pin power cable. With fuse. And then, what is in this box? The cheap SWR meter. And the bit we've all been waiting for. Okay, let's get that box out the way. There we go. Okay, Stalker 9F-DX. Okay, the wood grain's seen better days. Bit of a scratch on the screen there, but actually the top panel and the lettering is extremely good. Okay, I would say the chrome is not in a very good condition, so because somebody's done the old tape trick around the chrome. It does, if the chrome's in bad condition, it does actually make it look better just having that tape on it, but all right, so that'll be the next project.